Okay, y'all, so I know it's been a long time. I'm sorry, but a girl is back, okay? And I'm back and I'm better. I have a lot of content recorded for y'all and a lot of content coming out. But today's video is going to be all about the Carol's Daughter Coco Creme. I have never used Carol's Daughter before, but so many people were talking about this product and I was just like, let me get my hands on it. So I got my hands on it from Sally's Beauty and I copped it and I don't regret it, because when I say it was amazing, it was amazing. So what you just saw me go in with was the Coco Creme conditioner. I did not shampoo my hair. Instead, I went in with the conditioner and it made detangling easy for me because, y'all, my hair was so matted and tangled, and I have a whole story about wash and goes, and I'm like 2.5 seconds away from just taking a break from wash and goes because I'm finding that my hair is becoming more matted and a lot of single strand knots and just a lot of knots, period. And baby sis, that's not the move because I cannot keep doing my hair the way that I've been doing it. It's okay. You're gonna see a video about the truth of 4-type hair. It's coming up. So anyway, right now I'm just taking it slow. I slowed down the clip so that you guys can get a good look of my hair after I detangled it and conditioned it. And this is my definition just with conditioner, and it was so soft. That's what I was saying. Look at my fam in the back. Look at her. Y'all just have to like pay attention to her too because it's so funny. But so yeah, so this is what it looks like after I condition my hair with the Coco Creme. You guys don't judge me because I don't know how to part. I'm not the best parter. I just do what works for me and what looks good to me. So yeah, so I'm just parting my hair because I wanted to do a side part. I'm always doing middle parts and I just feel like you see her in the back. What the world, Brie? But I just always do middle parts. So this is the moisturizing butter. Y'all, this is the best thing ever on earth, and I kid you not. I kid you not. This is what gave me the definition that you're going to see at the end of this video. I have never received this type of definition at all. The first twist I did, it was pretty small. I was just trying to see something, you know, if I wanted to do the little mini twist. But baby, listen, who got time to be doing this whole head of hair with those little bitty mini twists? Not me. But yes, so the butter, the Carol's Daughter Coco Creme butter, that is the seal it, deal it, sign, sealed, delivered. Put the icing on the cake with the cherry, and I don't even eat the little red cherries, but that's what it is because this stuff was so moisturized. And one thing that I did differently, I did not drench my hair. I made sure it was damp, but I did not drench it. And of course, when I got towards the front, I had to spray it a little bit because it had dried out. But yeah, so I did not drench my hair. I just did it on damp hair. And to me, that was the best for me. One, it dried faster. And then two, I just feel like the product just, I don't know, it just did something better to the product. But I'm going to shut up because I'm talking too much. And so yeah, just look at the rest of this video and I'll come back later.
My
uncles, aunties, mama, papa, daddy, wee wee bee bee. Do you see the definition of these twisties? Look at them. They just popping, y'all. Like, I just want y'all to get this twisting butter. If I don't tell you to get anything else, I just urge you to get this twisting butter. Go to my Amazon store. The link is in the description box below, and just purchase it. I kid you not, you will not regret it. I promise. One thing that I will say right quickly is the reason I believe I had some length retention that you will see at the end of this video is because, again, I did not drench my hair. I applied the product on damped hair. So I'm just going in with the rosemary and mint biotin hair oil, scalp oil from Yale Organics, and I'm just making sure that, one, I reduce any frizziness that might come after unraveling my twist, and also to add just a little bit of shine, because I did sleep in a bonnet and I did wear these for like 3 days, and you might see that the ends of some of my twists are a little floppy. That's just because I was in my bonnet. But either way, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Please don't forget to look forward to some more content coming out. Some fashion hauls are coming your way. And what else? I don't know. But anyway, just look. Turn on the subscription button. Press it. And yeah, I love you guys. Bye.